The Lego Story. Many years ago, in a small Danish town, lived a skilled carpenter named Ole Kirk Christiansen. Times were hard, and money was scarce, but Ole had a big heart and 4 young sons to care for. To bring a little joy into their lives, he began to make wooden toys from the scraps in his workshop. The toys were a hit. Ole decided to sell them, but first, he needed a name for his company. He thought of the Danish phrase LEGOLAND, which means play well. He shortened it to a single perfect word, LEGO. What he didn't know was that in Latin, the word also means I put together. The company grew, but one stormy night, a terrible fire burned the workshop to the ground. All of Ole's hard work was gone. He and his son, Godtfred, stood together, heartbroken. But they were not defeated. With determination, they began to rebuild, knowing that only the best is good enough. After the fire, Ole and Godtfred decided to try something new. They invested in a machine that could mold plastic. They started making plastic toys, including a new kind of interlocking brick. It was a good idea, but the bricks had a problem. They didn't stick together very well. A young boy named Eric loved to build things, but his creations kept falling apart. He would build a car, but when he tried to pick it up, it would crumble into a pile of loose bricks. Godtfred saw this problem and had a brilliant idea. He added small tubes to the inside of the bricks. This simple change made them click together perfectly. The Lego system of play was born, and with it, a world of possibilities. The new bricks were a huge success. Children could now build anything they imagined, and their creations would stay together. The company grew quickly, and the little brick began its journey to becoming a global phenomenon. Why not build a speedy car? One boy who was born without an arm made a replacement, fully made out of Lego bricks. With a few clicks and a lot of concentration, you can. With Lego bricks, you can build anything, real or imagined. A spaceship that could fly to the moon, a friendly dragon that breathed sparkly fire, and a deep-sea submarine that explored the ocean floor. The possibilities are endless. Lego creations can be so big, they break world records. The largest Lego sculpture ever built was a life-sized X-Wing fighter from Star Wars, made from over 5 million bricks. Imagine the planning and teamwork that went into that. Lego is even more fun with friends. 2 children, a boy and a girl, worked together to build a bustling city. They built skyscrapers, a fire station, and a park with tiny Lego trees and benches. Their city was alive with stories. From pirates on the high seas to knights in shining armor, from brave explorers in the jungle to astronauts in outer space, Lego has a world for every adventure. Each brick is a key to a new story. The company's success led to an even bigger idea, a theme park made of Lego. Godtfred built LEGOLAND in Denmark, which opened in 1968. It was a place where people could see amazing Lego creations and be inspired. Today, Lego is a global phenomenon. Over 400 billion Lego bricks have been produced since 1958. There are enough bricks for every person on Earth to have over 80. The Lego Group continues to inspire builders of all ages, proving that only the best is good enough. Think about it. What do you want to build with Lego? The end.